with the English class. I am your English teacher Monica Gandhi, going to teach you the chapter number 1 of your English grammar book. So you all be ready with your English grammar book, the grammarian, and the chapter number 1, that is the sentence. Yes, dear students, yesterday I taught you what is a sentence. Dear students, a sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete meaning or sense. Sentence words का वो एक ग्रुप होता है जो कि एक से दूसरे पर्सन तक पूरी कंप्लीट सेंस या मीनिंग के साथ बात को कन्वे करता है. Yesterday I told you how to write a sentence, means the rules which we have to follow while writing a sentence. The first rule is every sentence should begin with the capital letter. And the rule number 2 is always a sentence ends with full stop, question mark or sign of exclamation. And the third rule is all the words should be in certain order as to make the meaning clear. हम जब सेंटेंस को लिखते हैं उसका फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए, उसके सारे वर्ड्स को इस तरह से ऑर्डर में लिखना चाहिए कि वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू कन्वे इट शुड बी क्लियर. जो हम बात कहना चाहते हैं उसका मीनिंग बिल्कुल उन शब्दों से, उन वर्ड्स से क्लियर होना चाहिए. एंड द थर्ड रूल इज दैट वी शुड पुट फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क और साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन एट द लास्ट. मतलब कि सेंटेंस जो है या तो फुल स्टॉप के साथ या फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क के साथ या फिर साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क के साथ फिनिश होना चाहिए. कब हम फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं? When a statement is there. Number 2, when we are asking something at that time, we put question mark. And number 3, when a sudden feeling is there in the sentence, we put sign of exclamation. Understand? Now let's start to read or learn about the kinds of the sentences. To know more about the kinds of the sentences, let's move towards the board. Look at the board. There are 4 kinds of sentences. A sentence has 4 kinds. Which kinds are these? You look here. These are number 1, assertive sentences. Number 2, interrogative sentences. Number 3, imperative sentences. And the number 4 is exclamatory sentences. Number 1, assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are the statements. Yes, dear students, telling sentences or the statements are known as assertive sentences. Means जब कुछ बताया जा रहा है, means telling. Telling means to tell something, to convey something. जब हम किसी को कुछ बता रहे हैं, that is a telling sentence. And the telling sentences or the statements are known as assertive sentences. Next one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are the asking sentences. To ask something, to ask a question, means the questions are called interrogative sentences. And the number 3 is imperative sentences. These are the orders or the request. Orders and requests are called imperative sentences. And the last one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which show the sudden feeling. When some sudden feeling is there in the sentence, that sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. Now dear students, I will explain the assertive sentences in detail. Children, look at the board. Assertive sentences, telling sentences or the statements are called assertive sentences. जो सेंटेंस हमें कुछ बताते हैं या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो स्टेटमेंट्स होती हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? assertive sentences. A statement or telling sentence always ends with a full stop. Yes, dear students, whenever we write a statement or a telling sentence, it always ends with a full stop. Always remember that a statement or a telling sentence always ends with a full stop. मतलब कि जो assertive sentence होता है वो हमेशा ही full stop के साथ end होता है. For example, she is my sister. This is a telling sentence. In this sentence, we come to know that the girl is my sister. Means somebody is telling us that she is my sister. मतलब वो उसकी sister है, वो हमें बता रहा है. मतलब telling. Telling means to say something, to inform something, कुछ बताना. One more example is there. My father is a doctor. Means speaker is telling us that his father is a doctor. मतलब कि जो बोलने वाला है या जो लिखने वाला है, means जो speaker है या फिर जो writer है, that person is telling us that his father is a doctor. You can see these statements are ending with full stop. Understand how to write an assertive sentence. Always an assertive sentence is a statement. Means we can say a statement is a telling sentence and it always ends with the full stop. Understand?